Hello there. My name is Hunter Haley, and over the last several years, I've been working as a rural property developer in what we call the land business. This business now generates a six-figure income for me, but also allows me to buy back my time and build wealth with a passive income stream. This gives me the time and resources to not only make a good living, but to also give back to the kingdom of God, which is one of my greatest passions. If you are interested in learning how to buy raw land, subdivide it, and either flip it for quick cash or owner finance it out for long-term passive income, this course might just be for you. To learn more, go to theblessedbusiness.com/land. I look forward to seeing you in the course. God bless.